Have you ever been deep into coding only to be stopped dead in your tracks by a frustrating linker error? It can feel like hitting a brick wall, right? If that's you, stick around because today we're diving into the unresolved external symbol error in C++. I totally get it. Linker errors can be incredibly annoying, especially when you think everything is set up correctly. You're not alone in this struggle. Many developers face this issue at some point in their coding journey. Let's take a closer look at the specific problem at hand. One user recently encountered the linker error LENC 2001, which states unresolved external symbol public static int hooks xd night. They shared their header and CPP files, and it seems like they're trying to access static variables from outside the class. Sound familiar? Let's break this down together. So what does this error mean? Essentially, it indicates that the linker cannot find the definition for the static variable night in the hooksxd class. Just declaring it in the header file isn't enough. You need to define it in your CPP file as well. Let's explore how to fix this. And hang tight. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip to help you avoid linker errors in the future. You won't want to miss it. To resolve the linker error, the user needs to ensure that the static member variable is defined in the corresponding source file. This is a common oversight in C++. Next, the user should also define the second static variable, night2, in the same way. This ensures that both variables are properly linked during compilation. After defining both static variables, the user should recompile the project. This step is crucial to ensure that the changes take effect and the linker can find the definitions. Finally, the user should check for any additional errors or warnings that may arise during compilation. This will help ensure that the code is functioning as intended. Fun fact, did you know that the term linker comes from the early days of programming? It refers to the tool that links together various pieces of code, much like how a puzzle comes together. Pretty cool, right? Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests that you need to define the static variables night and night2 in your CPP file. This is necessary because they are declared as static. You can do this by adding the lines int hooksxd night equals 0 and int hooksxd night2 equals 0. Additionally, when accessing these variables, use hooksxd night instead of lmao.night since they are static. Lastly, consider if you really need them to be static. Here's that quick tip I promised. Always remember to define your static variables in the CPP file after declaring them in the header. This simple step can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. By defining your static variables correctly, you should be able to compile your code without any linker errors. If you found this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button for more coding tips, and remember to check out our bonus content for more insights.